So there is this popular belief online that mechanical keyboards are one of the worst hobbies you can get into. They say that it's a rabbit hole that you never know when you entered. I didn't really agree with that. I thought it's just a fun and interesting hobby until I discovered there are dedicated channels that are doing in-depth modifications on their keyboards. I think there's a fine line between enthusiasm and obsession, and I think it's difficult to find out when you have actually crossed it. Like over the past few months, I've made so many modifications and alterations to this keyboard that I myself was surprised when I saw my list. I even bought 2 sets of keycaps which have the same value as the entire keyboard combined. Oh, and by the way, if you want any of these keycaps, you can just message me on Discord. I have extra in case you want them. But to answer that original question, no, I don't think mechanical keyboard modding is one of the worst hobbies out there. Yes, I've spent a lot of time and a little bit of money modding my keyboard, but I enjoyed doing that. And it's safe to say that most of you enjoyed it as well. So you should be fine as long as you don't cross over that fine line between obsession and enthusiasm. If I was to define obsession and enthusiasm, I would say that obsession is when you are finding that compulsive need to do it even when no one is asking you to do it, or even when no one is suggesting that you do it. And enthusiasm is when you find that interesting based on what someone else did that you think you should do in your free time. Once in a while is fine, but if you routinely find yourself spending a lot of money on accessories for your keyboard, like buying a $300 keycap set, safe to say that you are a little obsessed. The easiest way to break any obsession, I think, is to ask yourself a simple question. Is this making me happy? Because oftentimes, enthusiastic activities usually fill you with happiness even after you have done them, and obsession usually just fills you with the same sense of something is missing as soon as you're done with that thing. That's why you keep going back and doing more and more expensive stuff with that obsessive hobby of yours. Whereas if it is just enthusiasm fueling it, you will find a way to be happy with what you have done, that yes, I have fixed this problem for now. So if you take a while to realize how stupid that is, you are spending so much of your resources in this obsession that's barely making you happy in the long run. Now I'm naturally a pretty curious person, so when one of you suggests me to do a particular mod, I try to do that because I usually customize all of my things anyways, not just keyboards. And I'm confident that I'm not obsessed because even though I could afford one of these keycaps which are really expensive, I can easily buy them, but I don't because it's not practical. I'm not gonna buy an entire set of keycaps that are more expensive than the keyboard. Right now that I have already matched the price of the keyboard with these 2 keycaps, I think I'm done for now. I'm only gonna be doing low budget or no budget modifications that most of you suggested, like the tape mod we did earlier. If I were to ever ignore the price tag of these keycaps and just buy them because they might look cool, that might be defined as obsession. Enthusiasm plus illogical spending equals obsession. So I understand why people describe mechanical keyboards as one of the worst hobbies on the internet, because it's really easy to get obsessed with it and spend a lot of money on it. Every hobby, every community you see out there has obsessive members in it, but that doesn't mean the entire community is like that. There are people like myself who don't treat this as a professional thing and just do it for fun. I'll try not to give in to the temptation of this rabbit hole and only do mods that you guys request that are actually practical. And I suggest you do the same. It's okay to buy something and customize something you own, but just don't go crazy with it and do illogical purchases. After all, these are just objects. They are tools meant to serve a purpose. It's okay if you make them look good and feel good to a certain extent, but that shouldn't be the main focus of your entire life.